Sony 7.2 channel surround sound review. Pros and cons. Pros: plenty of power, easy setup, the UI is much better than others, great sound quality. The Spotify connectivity from phone works smoothly. The 360 spatial sound mapping setting is amazing. Works well with Sony TV and PS5. Multiple HDMI ports. Smooth wireless connectivity. A good value for the money. Cons: it is compatible with only 6.8 ohm speaker, not 4 ohm or lower. It doesn't look very stylish. Key features: 7.2 channel surround sound, 8K AV receiver, Dolby Atmos, DTS, digital cinema auto calibration 9, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Google Chromecast, Spotify Connect, Apple AirPlay, HDMI 2.1. STR-AN1000, HLG, Dolby Vision, IMAX Enhanced, black color. (19.5 × 15.56 × 8.19 inches). Product dimensions: 1 pound weight. Works with Sonos. Sony brand. STR. STR-AN1000 model number. That's it. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel.